Hi, grade 9. I miss you all so much. Today we will have revision on chapter 11. Okay? Now, the first thing is the volume of a prism. The volume of a prism with base area V and height h is V equal V times h. So, the base area times the height. Okay. The volume of a right rectangular prism with length L, width W, and height h is V equal L times W times h. Why? Because the base is in a shape of a rectangle and the area of rectangle is length times width. So it's L times W times h. The last one is the volume of a cube with edge length S. All the edges of cube are equal, so the volume is S cubed. S times S times S. Okay. The next one is volume cylinder. We said before that V equal base area times height, and the base is a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So the volume is pi r squared times h. Okay, now let's go to our first example. Okay, find the volume of a prism uh, and then round to the nearest tenths. Okay, so this prism, the length is 15 and width is 3 and height is 5. So I'm gonna multiply all of them. So the volume is L times W times H. So 15 times 3 times 5, which is 195 centimeter cubed. Okay, the second one is find the volume of a cube with edge length 15 inches down to the nearest tenths. Okay, so S equal 15. So now we said before V equal S cubed. So the volume is S cubed. So 15 cubed, which is 3,375 inches cubed. Okay, this example is really important. Okay, find the volume of the right regular hexagonal prism. So first I need to draw this triangle. Okay, then I need to find A, which is the abathum. Okay, so this triangle is this part in the hexagon. Wait. So I just took one triangle from the hexagon, okay? And I need to find A, the abathum. So this is 9 feet. This side is 9 feet. So, and I need to find this angle. This angle is 360 divided by 6, which is 60 degrees. So this triangle is an equilateral triangle. So all the sides are equal, 9 feet, 9 feet, 9 feet. And this small part is 4.5. Why? Because the abathum divides this part into two equal line segments. Okay, so now I need to find the abathum, which is A equal square root 9 by 2 minus 4.5 by 2. This one, 9 by 2 minus 4.5 by 2, which will be 4.5 square root 3. Okay, now I need to find the base area, which is half times A n S. A is the abathum, okay? N is the number of sides. S is the side length. A is 4.5 square root 3. So I'm gonna just multiply half times 4.5 square root 3 times 6 times 9. And the answer is 121.5 square root 3. Now I need to find the volume. We said the volume is base area times height. So the base area is 121.5 square root 3 times the height, which is 12. So the answer is approximately 2525.3 feet cubed. Okay. The next example is find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, give you the answer in terms of pi. I have this cylinder. This is the diameter. It's not the radius. So I need to divide it by 2. So the radius will be 18 divided 2, which is 9. So now we said the volume is pi r squared times h. H is 14 inches and radius is 9. So pi times 9 squared times 14, which is 1154 pi. And if we just substitute pi, it will be approximately 3,562.6 inches cubed. Okay? Now, I need to find the volume of cylinder with base area 121 by centimeter squared and a height equal to twice the radius. What does that mean? The height equal to twice the radius. So first I need to find the radius. Sorry. So first he said the base area is 121 by. So the base is a circle. So the area is by r squared. So pi r squared equal 121. If we just remove the pi and this pi, I have now r squared equal 121. So I need to find the square root of 121, which is 11. So r equal 11. Okay, he said before the height is equal twice the radius. So the height is 2 times 11. So the height is 22 centimeter. Now I just need to find the volume. The volume of cylinder is pi r squared times h. I have the r equal 11 and h equal 22. So it will be pi times 11 squared times 22, which is 2662 by centimeter cubed, approximately 8362.9 centimeter cubed. The next example, he said the radius and height of cylinder are multiplied by 2 over 3. Describe the effect on the volume. So we solved this like 20 million times the last semester, okay? First I need to find the original dimensions and then I need to do the dimensions multiplied by 2 over 3. The original dimensions I have the radius is 24 and height is 33. And if I multiply them by 2 over 3, I'm gonna have this. So first, we have the volume, the original dimension, V equal by r squared times h, which is by times 24 squared times 33, which will be 19,008 pi. And if I multiply both of the radius and the height by 2 over 3, I will have by 16 squared times 22, which will be 5,632 pi. And if I just divide this by this, I'm gonna, oh, sorry. I'm gonna find the effects, okay? The next part, he said the volume of a pyramid. Okay, this is the, I think, lesson 11 3, sorry. The volume of a pyramid. It's exactly like the volume of prism, but just like you have to multiply it by 1 over 3. So the volume of a pyramid with base area B and height h is V equal 1 over 3 base area times height, okay? And the volume of cone, just like the volume of cylinder, but multiplied by 1 over 3. Let's go to our first example. Okay, example 1. Find the volume of a rectangular pyramid with length 11, width 18 meter and height 23 meter. Okay, so the volume is V equal 1 over 3 times base times height, which is 1 over 3 times 11 times 18 times 23. The answer is 1518 meter cubed. The next one, find the volume of the square pyramid with base edge length 9 centimeter and height 14 centimeter. It's a square pyramid, so both the length and width are the same number, okay? So 1 over 3 times 9 squared times 14, which will be 378 centimeter cubed. Okay. Find the volume of cone with radius 7 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. Give your answer in both terms of pi and rounded, okay? So the volume of cone is 1 over 3 pi r squared times h. So 1 over 3 pi 7 squared times 15. And the answer is 245 by centimeter cubed, which is approximately 769.7 centimeter cubed. The next one, he said the radius and height of the cone are doubled. Describe the effect on the volume. So again, I need to find the original dimension and then the dimensions after it's doubled, after it's multiplied by 2, okay? The original dimensions, I have the radius 9 and the height is 18 centimeter. So the volume is 1 over 3 pi times radius 9 power 2 times 18, which is 486 pi centimeter cubed. Now, after I double the dimensions, I have 1 over 3 pi 9 times 2, 18. 18 times 2, 56. So 1 over 3 pi 18 power 2 times 56. And the answer is 3888 pi centimeter cubed. So the volume is multiplied by 8. Okay, now this is our last lesson, volume of a sphere. So the volume of a sphere with radius r is V equal 4 over 3 pi r cubed. And we have the volume of hemisphere, which is 2 over 3 pi r squared. It's just the volume of sphere divided by 2. Okay? Our first example, I need to find the volume of sphere in terms of pi. This sphere have a diameter of 24 inches. So I need to find the radius. The radius is gonna be 24 divided by 2, which is 12. So now I'm just gonna substitute in the law. V equal 4 over 3 by r squared. I'm sorry, 24 divided by 2 is 12, not 6, okay? So 4 over 3 pi times 12 cubed. And the answer is 2304 pi inches cubed. And in this example, he said find the volume of the hemisphere, just like half sphere. So the radius is 15 meter. So the volume of hemisphere is 2 over 3 pi r cubed. So 2 over 3 pi 15 cubed. And the answer is 2250 pi meter cubed. I'm sorry again. Okay, he said find the radius of sphere with volume 2304 pi feet cubed. So the volume is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So I need first, I'm gonna remove the pi and the pi. Then I'm gonna multiply this number by 3 over 4. And then I'm gonna take the cubic root of the number. And the answer will be the radius is 12 feet. So now I'm gonna go to the next part. Surface area of a sphere. The surface area of a sphere with radius r is 4 pi r squared. So find the surface area of the sphere. This is the diameter. It's 50 centimeter. I need to find the radius. So I'm gonna divide 50 by 2. So it will be 25. So now the surface area is 4 pi r squared. 4 pi 25 squared. And it will be 2500 pi centimeter squared. The next part. Okay, he said the radius of a sphere is divided by 3. So we need to describe the effect on the surface area. So I will find that. Again, I'm going to do the original dimension and then the dimensions after effect. So the original dimensions in this part is the radius equals 3. So the surface area is 4 pi r squared. So 4 pi 3 squared, which is 36 pi meter cubed. The original dimensions divided by 3. So the radius is 1. So the surface area is 4 pi 1 squared, which is 4 pi meter cubed. So the surface area is divided by 9. Okay? Okay, guys. I missed you so much. Please stay home and stay safe. and I hope I can talk to you soon. Bye.